welcome back to the channel, and this is a very special video. Many of you asked how I actually went through my disaster relief, especially I live in Texas. The storm hit, and how do I prepare for this? So this is an actually updated video on how you could actually prepare for future power outage, along with water outage that comes with certain types of power outage. So this is it. So stay here, hang out with us, and let's have some fun, and you will learn something. Now let's go. Welcome back, guys. So this is what you see here. This is what I am actually going to be talking about. So from here we actually have actual power, lights that are running on electricity. We actually have items here that actually uses fire, such as candle. And over here, here's some water items we'll talk about in a little bit. So, as you know, Texas got hit with a really big storm. However, I was actually kind of okay as the electric goes up and down. I actually have this thing here, and this is the Cyber Power electric battery pack. This is a game changer. When the electric goes out, this thing kicked in. Some of the items that was connected to it, such as the Wi-Fi was still relatively reliable. The only unreliable part was that the cable internet went down when the electric actually went down as well. So that you can't help. However, it actually could help you in the home. Just to give you an idea, I actually have 4 of these, and I have a smaller one, so it's actually 4.5. One of these packs here, in a true electric downtime for me, back in Atlanta, powered a lamp that I had for over 8 hours. So we weren't sitting in the dark. And the funny thing is that when I went to walk my dog, people around the neighborhood just kept looking at my condo back in Atlanta, and I was the only light in the whole condo, in that side of the condo at least. So this is truly helpful, and what's really nice about this is that this doubles up as circuit breakers. And looking at this, you have all these actually plugs in the back, and you could actually plug cable TV or other items in here, and that will actually protect it from a power surge. So this is really a game changer. It's a must-have. I'm actually thinking about adding 2 or 3 more of these for other rooms in my home to ensure that if we have a long-term power outage, this is available. So let's go to the next item that's really useful, and this is the item that I truly love. And this is a power pack that runs on solar panels, and you could actually charge this item right through the sun. And I've actually carried this around Disneyland for 14 hours. I mean, literally 14 hours walking around. By the time that I got back to the hotel at night, this was only 3/4 low, and I was plugging all kinds of stuff throughout the day, 14 hours. So this is a truly awesome item as well. And this actually goes with me when I do travel. And what's nice about this is it also doubles as a flashlight. So to turn on the flashlight feature on this battery, just press this for 2 seconds and it turns on. And do the same thing, turn it off. That's how that's done. Going to the next item, which is really cool. I got this from Costco, and this is the lamp that every room truly needs. If you are really out of electricity, you really need this lamp to really light up the room. And what's nice about this particular item is, you look here, there are actually 2 plugs that you can plug in your phones or anything else. So it doubles as a battery pack as well. So, you know, these 2 items are really a dual use, which is really fantastic. And the other item, which I will always have at home, is this. This is a mag light. So the reason why I love mag lights is that this could be used as a tool in case that you need to knock on a few things to get things open. But what's so nice about this is that this light, you can focus, narrow, and wide, and which is really fantastic. This lasted me forever. I've had this mag light for over 10 years and it's still working. And this is truly one of my favorite flashlights around. So now that you know these are the electrical items, you can actually mix and match and really understand how each of these could fit into your home. At least you know what is out there and what to look for. So let's go to the next piece, which a lot of folks have actually talked about, which is candles. Here are some candles. They're teacup candles, which is nice. It's small. However, the problem is that each of these are, it only outputs so much light. And the problem with candles are that when you light it and the candle gets really hot, it tends to pop. And when it pops, if you don't have a good container, what if it blows and the fire hits paper or something that's flammable at home? This is the reason why this is, in my opinion, this is the last resort, for lighting a home. But if you need it, make sure you have a enclosure that prevents that pop or that fire from coming out. And this is the reason why I have a heavy-duty fire extinguisher. Every home needs a fire extinguisher or two, and each year you really have to look at it and to see if it still has charge. What I'd like you to understand is this, that because this is pressurized, who knows if that pressure could have been released somehow, and if it gets released, when you need it at the most, you may not have enough, power to get the fire retardant material out. So this is the reason why you have to check this once a year. And please, if you have candles at home, this should go with it. If you don't have this, you are putting yourself in a lot of harm. So now you know we have items here to actually help you through the lighting of the home. However, the problem is that back in many of the instances, we actually have power that goes out that impacts the water within the community. So what I would actually say to people, which a lot of people listen, there's a lot who don't. You should prepare them in buckets like this or in bathtubs, which I will show you a video right here. We'll cut out and show you the video of my bathtub where I have water. Hey guys, this is how I've actually prepared. I've actually put some water into the bathtub and used it to flush my toilets. So this way we won't have any issues with the bathroom. If you don't have that and you really need the bathtub or you only have a shower, these pails that are in Walmart or Target, they're a few bucks. They could actually double up as that as well. The reason why you need this is because majority of us have tanks in the toilet. And when the water goes out, it doesn't fill and you can't flush. If you don't flush, the matter that goes into the toilet could really breed a lot of viruses and germs. You don't want that. So this is the reason why you have to have that water. You have the water, put it in here, get a pail, pour it into the container, flush. And this is the reason why it is so important. And I actually have a few of these that are clean. It's never used to put anything in there. And I actually have that water prepared previous to the storm hitting, so this way I have enough water in case truly it is a total infrastructure down. And this is the reason why it is so important to have these items. So prepping number 101 is really to understand your power capacity, what you really need to get through the hard times when you don't have power, and understanding that if you don't have this or you can't afford it and you're running on candles, please make sure you have a fire extinguisher. This will save your life. And every time that when we have a power outage, never assume you will have water. And this is the reason why we have that. And for those of you out there was actually a person who reached out to me last year on one of my previous videos about this and asked about the water. Why are you wasting money? Here's the thing, it costs you pennies. I would rather spend a few cents and not having to use it, and I have a peace of mind, than not have a peace of mind when I need it. And this is the reason I am doing this video, to kind of show you what to really think about, the basics of prepping. And this is Prepping 101, and we will see you in another video. How much fun was that? And welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.